The government of Zimbabwe through the Reserve Bank are determined to introduce the bond notes, while the general populace are demonstrating against the introduction, saying this. This is not the case at Matobo National Park, 35 kilometers south of Bulawayo, where Stanley Ndlovu, an informal trader who has been selling handmade baskets and curios, among others, including a Zimbabwe dollar bearer's check, which was scrapped by government in 2009, trying to make ends meet. And it has been working for him.
Isingasasebenzi so senza ukuthi ngithengisele abantu bemzini abavela khatshana ngamadola nami ngiyadingisa inkwasa abantwana lokuthenga nje amabhuku
bayathenga yini
bayathenga sinto kakhulu sibi bayithenga sibi behamba la emazweni khona bese tshengisa nje abanye nje abantu bemzini
wena uyithatha ngaphi le mali
imali ngangiyithola khona phe jiweni ngithengisa khona ebantwini bona baba bevela ngaphi awuthi bezoda khona
ulene ngokunganani manje
imali yakona imali imbona ngina 3 years ngikho ngiyithengisa khona 3 years ngikho ngiyithengisa khona kodwa ngithenga sibi ukudla kwami ngikwane ekhaya lokunye nje ukuthi lami kakhulu school fees bengithengisa sibi ngithola.
One man's meat is another man's poison. Zimdi TV News.